Let's
If you
try a
want something
TikTok
good for dinner,
recipe.
try this sausage fajita pasta. Let's get into it. We're going to boil our pasta in salted water. Slice our smoked sausage into pieces. They should look something like this. In a large skillet on medium heat, we're going to add in some oil. Once our oil is hot, add in our sausage in small batches. We're going to cook our sausage for about 1 to 2 minutes on each side, making sure we get some good color. Once done, remove our sausage from the skillet and add in some butter. Once butter is melted, add in sliced onion and cook for about a minute. Next, add in red and green bell peppers with a pinch of salt and cook for another minute. Toss in minced garlic and cook for a few seconds. Mix in a little tomato paste and chicken broth and bring to a simmer. Add in heavy cream and mix in well. Bring our heavy cream to a simmer, then sprinkle in salt, black pepper, garlic powder, cumin, Italian seasoning, smoked paprika, and chili powder. Mix our spices in well and periodically stir for about 10 minutes to thicken our sauce. About halfway through, add in our reserved pasta water and mix in. After about 10 minutes, remove our sauce from heat and let cool down for a couple more minutes to continue to thicken. Mix in Parmesan cheese, our cooked pasta and sausage, and there you have it. Try it out.